Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 16. I wanted to quickly go over what we are doing this week. We are just continuing on with section views. We're building on last week's information where I had you guys practicing on paper. We're now going to try it in Onshape and doing it through software. So I do have a creating section views video for you to watch. Check out. It goes over how to create a section view in Onshape, but we'll also be going over it in class. And then I have 4 section view problems. 2 are full, 2 are half. And then when you open them up, you'll see the document itself. You can even click on the links if you want to view it larger. And it's just 4 of these problems. So it says create a multi-view drawing of the problem below. Once you're finished, create the front view of your isometric and then a full section view to the right. Center the 2 views in the work area dimension where necessary. And then I want you to submit a screenshot of the multi-view and share with our team on Onshape. So this is the view you'll do, and then you'll create a section view, a full section view of it, and you'll have it to the right. And again, we'll be going over this in class, but it's just 4 of those problems, just building on what we've been learning and giving you more practice. So you can see another one. And then these ones will be your half sections, so just a little bit different than full views. But they're all roundish shapes to make it easy, because next week we'll talk about a different type of section view and we'll practice that a little bit. But those are the assignments I have for you this week. Obviously, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You can either ask me in class or shoot me a Schoology message. Otherwise, make sure you're getting those done and turned in and working on anything that you still might owe me. I'm going over grades currently and putting in zeros where there are assignments missing. So check on those and make sure you're getting your assignments turned in. I'll see you guys in class. Bye.